What's up, guys? We back again with another video. Today we're going to be working on my 2014 GMC Sierra. We're going to be installing a panoramic sunroof on it. I started to remove the headliner with the stars on it. It's all right here. We're going to start getting everything prepped. I still need to go pick up the sunroof at the freight company where I got the sunroofs from. So I did remove already the headliner, the front pillars, console, sun visors. I'm prepping it for that bracket. I do need to go pick up like I said, the panoramic. I'm gonna go pick it up, and then we'll bring it back, get some measurements, and then start the process on top of the roof to get it installed, get it ready for body work and all that. But let's check it out. My 2014 GMC Sierra. I know I haven't really posted anything about this truck. You guys probably seen I did the lift on it already. 7-inch rough country lift, 22s by 12s Savage wheels. And then I did do an upgrade on my radio. Check it out. Did a 12.1 screen. Look at that. It's good. And then I'll do a little bit more review on this radio. I just got it, installed it. Here's a little overlook of the inside. I do need to cut these. I need to cut those off. So like I said, guys, this is a little overlook of my 12.1 screen in my dash. I think it's badass. I love that. And then here's just a little overlook. Like I said, we do need to cut these support bars, make room for a bracket, cut this back some. We're not gonna cut the complete reinforced bar off. We're just gonna trim it to fit to the bracket, so that way we do still have support. All right, guys. Like I said, I'm gonna go pick up the panoramic here in an hour, and then we'll check it out once we get it opened up. All right, guys. Here's a little update on the panoramic for the Sierra. Got the panoramic right here. This thing's badass. It does have the vent pop up, and it does slide inside, and it's got the electric shade to open and close it. Here's we got the bracket mounted. Check it out. That's sick. Just a little update, guys. I just gotta seal up the back part, just how I did the front. The sides are done, and then we'll go ahead and install the panoramic and go from there. It's looking good. Let me know what you think. Comment down below. I got a lot more of these panoramics I'm gonna be installing. I got a panoramic I got at Colorado Springs from a CTS caddy. I'm gonna be installing on a crew cab 4-door Sierra, a little bit older model than this one. All right, guys, stay tuned. We got a lot more. All right, we got the panoramic installed. Let's check it out. That looks clean. Check it out, guys. Sweet. All right, I'm gonna start installing the drain hoses. I'm gonna start wiring it all up, and then I'm gonna end up doing the body work at the very end. I want to get the inside 100%. That way, if I do have to move the vehicle, all the inside will be done, and I don't have to deal with it. And then I'll end up fiberglassing on top of the bracket, bodywork, primer, and then I'll repaint the roof. Alright, stay tuned guys.